Hello, this video is part of a series of screencasts on the Varwin platform and its components. Today we'll go over the Object section of the Varwin RMS. The Object section allows uploading and editing files that can later be used to build your VR project. You can place objects on a location and adjust the logic of interaction. Here, you can see the object library. This is where all the object files uploaded to the platform are stored along with their preview images, names, and tags. Tags help you find the VR object file you need. To the right is the Action field. Press I in the drop-down menu to see the object's characteristics, or the button next to it to remove the object off the platform if it is not used in projects. Let's upload an object to the platform. Only .vwo object files are allowed. You can upload such files by clicking Browse or dragging files into the corresponding field within the RMS window. Files can be dragged from either an internet browser or Windows File Explorer. Let's try to upload an object file from a Windows Explorer folder. There is no limit to the number of locations. If you're struggling to find the required location, apply filters in the upper part of the list.